Earlier, our participants were given a peace and development ID card. Lahat po ba meron nung card na yon? Taas yung kamay nung wala. So, doon, merong isa doon. Bibigyan po natin lahat. And may I request those who would want to be peace and development advocates, those who want to volunteer their time and effort, please stand as we take your solemn pledge of commitment. Tumayo po yung magbo-volunteer as peace and development advocates. Taas po ang kanang kamay at sumunod sa akin in your solemn pledge. I state your name. Do solemnly pledge my commitment and support to the advocacy of achieving peace and development in our country. Furthermore, as part of my humble contribution to it, I do swear that I will be part of the reason for the achievement of lasting peace and sustainable development. So help me God. Congratulations po. Palakpakan. Congratulations, peace and development advocate. Maraming po salamat.
Presentation of the plaque or token of appreciation for our guest of honor speaker. We are encouraging everyone or anybody to an open forum. So anyone who has something to inquire, to ask of our guest of honor speaker this morning, please feel free to come forward. We are now moving to the open forum part. Mukhang na-surprise na yata kayo, no? You're not expecting that we will be leading to an open forum, or what? I think somebody at the back is raising his hand and going to make an inquiry. Please don't hesitate to come forward. We have another mic here at front. Medyo mahihayin po sir yung aming mga estudyante. Minsan pa natatanong sila, sinusulat na lang nila sa papel. Kasi daw, in writing, there are less mistakes than in talking. Anybody? Come on. Don't worry, our guest of honor and speaker will be very pleased to answer you. Wala pong halong takutan dito. Wala kayo sa classroom. We are in a symposium. So, whatever things that you are interested to ask, especially as regards to what you have pledged a while ago, and that is to be a leading personality of the country, more specifically of our school, to be part of the Peace and Development Volunteers.